You can just copy and paste them straight from BookBolt into the keywords section. I think BookBolt is amazing because girl, I would have the hardest time finding keywords if I did not have this tool. You literally just type it in, hit the button, and it like has a whole list for you. Like I could not do that on my own. I would be like struggling. And the thing is, if you don't have good keywords, then no one will find your book and no one will buy it because they don't even know it exists. So work smarter, not harder. Let BookBolt do the work and find the keywords for you. So I'm just gonna copy and paste those in there. I recommend selecting English as your language. Even if there aren't any words inside the book, the cover language is technically English. And as for this option, you're just gonna select that it's a low content book. It's gonna ask you if you used AI to create the book, but BookBolt actually isn't an AI tool, so you're just gonna select no. And make sure that you select to publish without an ISBN number. Okay, I don't even know what that is. Everyone said to publish it without an ISBN number because basically low content books don't need that. I think you only need that if you actually like wrote content within the book. Then just fill out the rest of the information. This will just be all based off of your specific book and it's super easy to do. And then it's time to upload your book cover. So wherever you downloaded it, whether that's your desktop or just like an external hard drive, whatever, take it off of there and upload it to Amazon. The cover usually uploads really fast because it's a pretty small file. Once this is done, you're gonna do the same thing with the manuscript or the inside of the book, like all the pages, and you're just gonna upload it. This might take a little bit longer just because it is like 120 pages. It's like 120 little files that it has to upload, but it shouldn't take that long.